Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning from this side, Africa. Actually, guys, it's morning. The sunset is over there and it's coming. Yeah. Actually, if you're not, oh, sorry. Guys, I'm speaking such kind of happily way. Actually, yesterday I had a call with my mom from UK, and she told me that I go. My phone get lost, so she promised me today I go and search for a phone. Then I call her. She'll take me a phone. That's why I'm so surprised and I'm so amazing. Actually, guys, today is on Sunday, and I'm not yet going to church. I'm heading to the site to see Daniel before he leaves. Then I come back and I go to church. Right now it's like 7 a.m. So I'm rushing to the site to see or to talk with Daniel one or two things, because he's leaving and I'll be the one managing that house. So he has to leave for me keys so that I can be pouring water inside there, going sitting there. When someone knows that there's nobody in this house, they even be coming there to survey something, that to see, hey, is there anything here, so that they can take. So I have to be there, guys. That's why I've decided not to go first to church. First, let me go and see Daniel. Then he see if he can leave me key. Sometimes Daniel go with mood. So yeah, when he leaves me the key, I'll be going there, because I have to be there when he's not around to see his properties. That is good. That's why, guys, I have not managed to go to church in the morning. I want to go second service. That will be 9 a.m. Sorry. Yeah. That's why I'm rushing, guys. I'm rushing to Daniel's place. And actually, I'm wearing the coat that... Actually, guys, I'm almost there. I usually use this route when I'm going. Unfortunately, guys, you can't imagine. Yesterday, I was passing this road the same time that I'm passing right now, and I had that my phone. I came with it like, okay. I was where the setter that you saw in my video yesterday, and I put it in because my trouser I had a short yesterday. I didn't wear a trouser, and the short was not having a pocket. So I removed it when I was here. When I just looked the time, unfortunately, I didn't even think of the phone. I just went. It was just this place, guys. You can't imagine this place. So the time that I realized that I've just lost the phone is that when they were trying to look a calculator. It's the time that they were saying that let's use a calculator so that we can manage to know the amount of money that have remained. So I was like, see, I have a small phone. Okay, I was like, see, I have a small phone. Let me remove so that we can use. Catching my pocket, no phone. I decided to cut off the video and run until this place, searching. I started calling the phone. Calling the phone. It's crying, but they are not picking. There was someone who was at my behind. I went, she was a mother actually, and she was coming to fetch water on this side. I went and asked her, did you saw the phone? No, I haven't seen the phone. Actually, there are some people who are passing behind me, crossing, going other side there. That other side. Maybe I'm the one who picked it. So for me, I decided again to call the number. I called the number. Wow, can't imagine it was already off. That's where now I realized that the phone have already been taken. and I was so emotional. Actually, guys, for me, I'm almost, I usually use just my personal shortcut. Yeah, my personal shortcut. And I remember yesterday when Dan was live, he said something that no work. They will not be putting tiles. But for me, I knew about tiles they will put today. But when he was live, he said that he can't put tiles today. I don't know until he come back. So for me, I won't refuse. I'll just say no problem. No problem. So here we are at the site. That is the master bedroom of Daniel. Actually, not today. It's on Sunday. Nobody should be here. Yeah. I think the doors are closed well. Let me confirm, I was the one who closed this door yesterday. Other side they have opened. Let me go. See, I'm surprised to get the doors open. I think there's Daniel here. Or yaje nilinyeshewa. Sikujua kama mvua itaingia hapa ndani. Hadi ile side. Okay. Actually, guys, the rain and the water was inside here, and the cement were down. So see how they look like. Wow. Imesha ganda. Unafanya leo? Ya nyumba yote. Plaster, ceiling.
Ceiling ameshapewa.
Oh. Okay. Sasa yako wapi
Kuko juu.
Hapa kwa huko. Oh. Chani muone. So guys, actually Mwita is not working today. The only thing that is doing is this, trying to do quotation of the whole house so that we know the amount of money that will be used on all budget, so that the house can be finished. See how now the water entered inside here, guys. So, you have heard that we have just got a loss of how many cement, because when just water catch the cement, it stuck together. It is stuck together like nothing else, Sure, like nothing else. So let me go see Mr. Dan actually up there. For me, I won't be surprised because of that. We didn't know if water can get inside the house. I'm surprised. I went to his grandma, and actually I've been told that he didn't sleep even here, guys. To his grandmother. He went and slept to Brand's home because the journey was starting very early in the morning. For me right now, I don't know if I can go and get him. Yeah, I don't know if I can go and get him there. Let me go and try to see. Brand's my home over there. I've walked till my legs are now tired. When you walk morning, you feel like bad. But for me, I usually have chest problem, so I don't feel good. I like breathing very fast, like that when that happens. How is it? I don't know if I can get them there, guys. Because what I've been told, maybe they could have very early. But what Mita have told me is that he's not yet wake up. Here's home Brian. Let me enter. Come and see the message. Come and see. Yes, come and see the message. Brian, come. This one is not going. That is not going to forgive. Unajua vile simu ilikuja. Basi jua. Yako ilikuwa hii. Yako ilikuwa hii nyuma yako mfuko. Kwa hiyo. Sio nakwambia. Mwenzako nimeonjeshwa tamu kidogo. So this is what is this?
Zimebakia hizo tatu ndio zimebakia, hazijaguswa na maji, alafu hizi zingine ni nusu nusu. Hizi zimeguswa nusu nusu, na zile ni serious, zimenuka kabisa maji. Labda ni tuje tumwage chini, labda nusu yake hiyo ilishika maji, lakini ingine na ganda maji in 97
I don't know how was this water passing here, or this water was coming up from this place because there was no road, so it just follow and then it uses that road and end. You see? Yeah. Oh guys, I wanna cure this room again, you know, so that it cannot get cracks of the wall. I'm done curing water inside here. Actually, Mwita is trying to do some ji maji imetokea huku kakuja hivi. By the way, na hii ya kushusha maji.
Kama nilikuwa na tanki saa hii. Nimejia.
Vile mvua imeanza kunyesha hivi.
Sasa hii mvua moja tu. Hii mabati ni kubwa na nyingi. Kuna mvua moja tu inajaa.
Na collect ya maji yote ndani. Anza kunime. Mwenzako ni
and I think this one was done where I came from my master. So immediately after sealing, now I'm focusing on the what? The glasses and the door. The glasses and the two doors. Yeah. Unipatia mashine ya glass. Iko yote. Ikiwa madini yote umeshapima. Sasa pima taisi ndani. Sawa. Sasa ile nilivyolinganisha yote sio na milango na ndani ya frame nimeshaandika kuna frame nne nataka pale kama tuongeze yeah, guys, you're trying to put things together. These are the places where you're supposed to pour water because it is still sweating. When in a sweat evening? Because you see the wall is really sweating.
so guys, change of plans. No putting tiles first before ceiling board. So they have to put ceiling board first, then they put tiles. Yeah. Then things will be amazing or things will be good and the house will be finished. just left there, continuing measuring the quotation of the house over here. So for me guys, I told you guys I wanna go to church. Right now, just leave Mr. Daniel there. You know, he got stressed because of the cements. The cements have lost 6 cements, guys. We had 9 cements, and actually 6 of them have gone into water, and we can't use them because they have already come together, stuck together. Can't use it. So loss, that is a loss, and we have to buy another cement, guys. That is it. And for me guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, consider by subscribing the channel, liking the video, comment. Don't forget to share, guys. Actually guys, right now I'm heading to church. That's why I've just left the site. I'm going to church because there's no work even today. There's no work tomorrow. I'll just be coming here to visit the site so that to know everything is good and well. So for me, I've just left Mr. Daniel, and he has told me that they will leave at maybe 11 a.m. or 2 a.m. That is 3 hours from now. They will be leaving to Migori, to Mombasa. So they are heading now there. So for me, I just want to go to church. After church, I'll make sure I'm going to I'll go to the shop where they sell phone, so that I can manage to call Mom Julie, so that she can choose for me the phone that she wanna buy for me, and I'll be grateful. Yeah, before I return this to Daniel. For me, I wanna go, and there's a boy there harvesting a sandy soil. You know, that sand soil is the one usually we used to build the house. You know, he's removing from down there and is throwing up, as you can see, guys. So that is life in the village actually. Yeah, for me, I'm saying that I'm in a hurry actually. I wanna go to church. There's another one here. So you know, this is good for plastering, even for putting floor. Right now, when the way the rain have come like this, people are happy. For those who usually make money with the soil, because they usually harvest soil from the what? They usually harvest soil from the river, and then they put, and then they sell. Like that, another one over there, and this one can be even collected all, because the rain is coming from up there, passing down to go. So, like seriously guys, we are here. I'm running to church because I'm late. You know, by 9:30 I have to be in church, and right now is, let me confirm the time, 8:52. Right now is 8:52. Yeah, 8:52. I've just left the site over there, you can see, and nobody gonna be working there for this season till Daniel is back, because he said that he need to put ceiling board first, then he come and we put the tiles down as time goes. And actually guys, we are approaching Christmas. Nivunjie me, boy. I've asked for the sugar cane. Santi. You know guys, I like sugar cane actually. I like sugar cane. The boy have just asked me. Thank you. The sugar cane is here. But I've been just assisted because I like sugar cane. Sometimes you are being advised not to eat sugar cane in the morning. Yeah. So guys, for me, I won't be having much to say, but I'll just thank you for watching, and thank you for your support, guys. Today was no video, but I decided to come to the site so that I can show you, or I can communicate with Daniel because he's leaving. Yeah, so I've already communicated with him. Not too much, not too that huge. time, but a little bit time, and I have know what time are they leaving. So I'm now satisfied with what I was asking. I'm heading home. Keep tuned, guys. Things are coming from my channel here. Keep supporting me, Shelton Boniface. Things will be good. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.